Daily conversations. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I am from India. What do you do? I am a teacher. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza. Travel and directions. Where is the nearest bus stop? The nearest bus stop is 500 meters away. How can I reach the railway station? You can take a taxi or a bus. How far is the airport from here? It is about 10 kilometers from here. Is there a good hotel nearby? Yes, there is a good hotel nearby. Can you help me find this address? Sure, let me check on Google Maps. Is this the way to the market? Yes, go straight and turn left. Can I get a taxi here? Yes, you can find one near the main road. How much is the ticket to Mumbai? It costs 500 rupees. Where can I buy train tickets? You can buy them at the station. Is this seat taken? No, you can sit here. Shopping and money. How much is this shirt? It is 800 rupees. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Can I get a discount? Sorry, no discounts. What size is this? This is a medium size. Where is the billing counter? It is near the entrance. Do you have this in a different color? Yes, we have it in blue and black. Can I try this on? Yes, the trial room is there. Is this product under warranty? Yes, for 1 year. What time does the store close? It closes at 9 p.m. Can I return this item? Yes, within 7 days.